afternoon, beautiful people. What's poppin'? It's your boy, back with another banger video. In today's video, we're going to do some science experiment. Yeah, crazy shit. We're gonna pick some random TikTok science experiment and make sure does it really work or just for a video. I'm gonna show you guys everything, and further ado, let's get into this video. Alright guys, our first one is to do this bottle thing, as you can see in the screen, where we like put it in the freezer and like a little bit of cold and smacking about the counter and it just freezes instantly by itself. Alright, we got the first experiment where we gotta put our normal water bottle in a freezer and wait like till it gets a little bit of colder. And after that, we're gonna smack it on the counter if it really fucking freezes itself. Let's see. So like our next, I don't know if it's a science experiment. I feel like it's really satisfying and I want to share it with you guys. Where we can make a rainbow thing with the Skittle, just using water and Skittles. So further ado, let's get into it. All you gotta do is just put some water in the middle and wait till they like gets a little bit of thingy. Yo, this is crazy. Like, it looks so freaking satisfying. Check this out, guys, and don't forget to try this one. All you need is Skittle and some water. This is so satisfying, bro. And let's go back to another one, and which is going to this one is going to be like some exploring stuff. So I'm about finally go explore some Coke and Sprite. Let's get it. Alright guys, so like our next thing is to explore fucking things, Pops, Sprite and Coke and Mentos. So I saw this, you guys can see like in the thingy screen, like this guy did it in the big container, but I don't have any big container, so I'm gonna do it in a small container with small resources. Okay, no more fun. We're just gonna take it. Yo, that's a lot of freaking Mentos, bro. I don't know. I feel like I want to add some baking soda. Let's see what happens. That's my fault because I'm adding baking soda. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, that's a lot. Here goes nothing. We're finally gonna put this in there. TikTok, you are fake. That's what I'm gonna say. Didn't freaking work. There's a bunch of Mentos down there that didn't freaking work. Alright guys, we're gonna check the bottle. Let's see if this one works. As usual, I changed the freezer because it's like making it a little bit colder the first way. So we're gonna try this here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yo, hold on. I see something. Let me. Fucking work, bro. I don't see anything. Like, it's been here like for an hour. Like, I changed the freaking freezer, it didn't even work, bro. You see, it's not even a freaking shadow, bro. It's supposed to be like something crystal thing inside. I don't know if it's gonna work, cause last one didn't work, bro. Like, I'm so mad on that. Like, I thought like always like Coke and Mentos. Let's see if this works. Have ketchup and baking soda, so you're gonna spread some out as the video did. The baking soda inside. Yo, he's sparking. He's getting higher. Oh, fuck! Yo! Yo, this one accomplished. Mission success, baby. Yo, more. Oh! Ew! One more shake. I guess this one worked. Mission accomplished. I'm happy now. I think this is the end of the science experiment. This is me signing out from the science experiment. I'm not doing it again.